Do you want to install a subwoofer or amp or really anything that includes wiring to the trunk or wiring? This is a video for you. This is the video for you. Watch here, and I'm gonna film it. And my dad is also here. Atreus. Nix, Atreus. That's Nix and Atreus. Hey Nix. Hi pretty. So first we're ripping apart the dashboard. You have to do it. It's necessary. No, I'm just kidding. We just got to get the stereo out so then we can connect the wires to the stereo. You were supposed to say yeah.
Yep.
Oh wait, a little bit closer. I got one. I got two. Ow! I got two.
Okay.
We fed it through underneath. Okay, so underneath the steering column, we fed the wire through to the rear end of our radio.
And then we're going to come around and under, and we'll show, you know, behind all this stuff and to the trunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But first we need to connect it to this.
And a lot of times the red and white is different on the plugs. You see there's no red here, obviously, but there's a white. So you just plug the white into the white, and then whatever color your wires are, the one that's not white goes into the red. And you have to make sure it says out, not in or any of the other stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what about the blue wire? Where'd the blue wire go?
Blue wire. I don't know
where it is. Where's the blue wire? Chat, there was a blue wire in here somewhere.
Did it fall out?
We're gonna find the blue wire.
Alright, so we're gonna tie this blue wire into, where did they go? This one that says antenna. As you can see, we just have electrical tape holding everything together, but you can do whatever you want. Cool connectors or
yeah,
whatever. Electrical tape is just easy because I have it on hand all the time.
yellow.
Yes. Mango, 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 mango.
No, it's the hole. Yeah, I was thinking if I left enough wire for this, I can install this like right there. You know what I mean?
Chat, would that be cool? Leave in the comments if that would be cool. We might do it anyways. So the comment don't matter, but it matters to me. I'll like it. I promise. If you go and comment, no matter what we do, I'll like it.
I was thinking.
We gotta have a dirty battery.
So we have to, yeah, we got a dirty battery. We have to hook the big wire to the battery, the positive. I'm going to hook mine to that, but then I have to figure out a way to get it out of this box because it's covered. A lot of cars don't have the covers, but this one does. So I might actually. Do you think it'd be dumb to drill a hole in this?
So he's doing the battery for the subwoofer. He's getting ready to wire it. There's a big red wire. Look what I found. Look what I found. Wizard wand, wizard wand. It's like Magneto is the wizard power wand. Look. See? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm Magneto. Oh my gosh. Shiz. Let me get that for you.
That's why it doesn't work. That's not real metal.
Alright guys, so we have a wire to the positive coming out of our box, wire to the fuse. It's coming in pretty nice and goes through over to the fender so that we can follow through the fender right to the door jamb.
My goal is to cut into this rubber that goes into the door and enter the car from there.
And then we'll put it underneath these plastics and all. So you gotta tear that up and stuff. But we have the bike out, so I gotta ride that John. So oh shit, my chain already broke off. Damn. My chain already broke off.
We gotta fix the chain now. I have to fix the chain now. That's a rock. That's a rock. That's a rock. Body area. So the body area. Hit it once. Don't stop. I'm gonna fuck. Don't kill him. Okay, chat, and then you just. Okay, let's try that again. Chain, no. Pop off on me again. Where are you?
Oh! Chat. That's twice.
What's up with my chain, bro? I haven't driven in a while, to be fair, so the chain might be rusty. Okay.
Okay, so Thomas literally ran away somewhere. Like literally ran away. But I just wanted to get on real quick and show. So instead of going through this rubber like I thought, I found that this plastic right here lined up with the hole under there that you probably can't see perfectly, so I could go straight through. And then I also ran the back camera wire for because it's gonna have a dash cam and then a camera in the back, so you know, if I get in a crash I can blame the other people. And now I'm gonna go from here all the way back, so yeah.
So we have the radio wires and everything from the stereo coming through on here, and the to the battery coming through here. So you can see right there. And it's gonna go under here. We're gonna put our plastic right here, so we can start on the back. Yes. Underneath the plastics on the rear seats, two in the trunk. Okie dokie, y'all. So I'm gonna point y'all what it looks like in the trunk. So coming back here, we have our amp, and we try to hide our cords. And here, this is a stereo cord, a cord to your stereo, the blue one from earlier. Same with that blue one. But first, we need right here. This red one is your power from the battery coming out of our. And right here, this is your negative. And then over here, oh wait, and these two are to your subwoofer, which are right there. And now with all those connected, just powering on your car and then fiddling with your amp to figure out the settings, and you'll show you if you did it right and good. Any final words?
Not really.
Not really any words. Simple as that. So your subwoofer is a lot simpler than you need. Don't go pay lots of money to have people do it, because yeah, unless it's us. You can pay me a lot of money and I'll force him to do it because he's a slave.